Okay, let me video.
Okay. Hey, Skinny Squad, we're at Dairy Queen.
And say we're welcome to Countdown to
Oh, okay, I got it. Howdy, Skinny Squad, and welcome to Countdown to Disney. We're now at Dairy Queen for DQ Blizzard Friday.
It's time to eat. Let's get started.
Let's get started. Hey, hi, Skinny Squad, we're inside Dairy Queen.
Say welcome to Countdown.
Welcome to Countdown to Disney.
Hi.
We found Natalie. Yay! And Sheila. And Alondria. Oh, look. Cheyenne's here.
Be careful.
Behind us. Did you get Kara behind you?
Be careful.
Say howdy, Skinny Squad. Welcome to Countdown to Disney. Hey. Hello, Mike. It's howdy, Skinny Squad. It's the squad. The squad.
You're not even filming. Camera lady. You're supposed to be filming. No, film.
I can feel.
Don't film me. They see enough of me.
Hey.
See me every week.
Hello. Mommy, tell you about your first day.
My first day?
Yeah.
It's awesome.
It's awesome.
It's amazing. It's good. It's good. Oh, it's a party. Yay. Oh, yes.
Okay. We good?
I love it.
We good for a minute?
I wanted to take it out
No?
early. Yeah.
Okay. Oh, no, we're still filming?
Do I? Well, no, I just couldn't. My body wouldn't allow me to sleep. I know what it was to be 12, okay?
Mickey Mouse.
I went home this morning and laid down.
You're gonna see
Did not
him?
go to sleep.
Look, here's our countdown to Disney. You want to show them the countdown?
Yeah.
64 days.
64 days.
Show the vlog. 64 days.
So I wiped off the table.
I know it's
64 days to Disney.
what is the weather of Red Oak, Texas?
Back it up so they can see your whole face. There you go.
What is the
Oh, you gotta
what
set it up.
what is the weather of Red Oak, Texas?
Cold and windy.
Correct.
Thank you.
What is the what is doing of the trail?
I don't know.
Sorry, that's incorrect.
Oh, dang it. I got one incorrect.
What is your favorite team?
The Dallas Cowboys.
Wrong. Daddy likes it.
But they can be my favorite too.
It's Daddy's favorite.
But they were my favorite first.
No, it was Daddy's favorite.
No, I'm older.
No, I'm older.
That's not how any of this works.
This is her words.
It's not how it works.
I play my own games.
That's true. She's
I
wrong.
play my own games.
That's true. She likes to challenge my editing skills.
I can do my own Skittles.
You can do your own skills. Okay.
I can do my gymnastics.
You gymnastics?
Yeah. I can do a handstand.
A handstand?
Yeah.
We'll have to see that later.
No, today.
Today?
Tonight.
Okay, yeah, we'll see it tonight.
Look.
Wet ones.
What? wipes.
Wet wipes. Do you need wet wipes?
Yeah. It's lemon wet.
Lemon wet wipes?
Howdy, Skinny One, and welcome to Countdown to Disney. Now we have an ice cream.
Is it good? Yeah?
It tastes like a lemonini.
Like a lemonini?
Look like this.
Does it taste like vanilla? Oh, you do the whipping and nay-nay? Look at you.
I got a thing in the mail.
When did you learn that?
Saying we have at least
Who taught that to you? Your mama? Your mama taught you how to whip and nay-nay?
address or whatnot. Yes, and you get with us to your correct address, so we give you a bill with a check. Because they have to do that, right? Pop back. You want me to update my bank statement or something? You got one check return on what we get?
Hi! Hi.
Hi.
It makes you go.
Kaylee is hangry.
I'm hungry.
So we're going to leave Dairy Queen and go get a Happy Meal.
I'm gonna get Taco Bell.
Taco Bell French fries.
They're nacho fries.
Nacho fries from the taco place.
They're not our sponsors.
Yeah, they're not sponsored.
I'm hungry.
It's favorite cousin Jamie.
What's everybody doing today? I was excited to see Misty at Dairy Queen. I'm hungry.
You're hangry. There's my dinner. So far, staying on plan. Alondra made me some sausage and some asparagus. I'm going to eat it slowly because my tooth still hurts a little bit whenever I bite down. Not real bad. And when I'm not biting down, it hardly hurts at all unless I smile real big and open my mouth because it hurts real bad at the corner of my mouth. But I'm about to eat, and I think we're fixing to see if these things spit or tea or tinkle or cry or color change or spit water out of their ears. We'll keep you posted.
Bye.
Do that cartwheel again.
I'm coming out like the sun after rain.
Woo.
Ready to shine, no time to be plain. Feeling good, gonna get what I want. Gonna show everybody how I want. Look at me now, my confidence is soaring. Dudes be impressed with the points of soaring like. And it just don't quit. That's the king, drop a show when I'm shaking my hips. I'm saying, she's coming out. She's coming. It's time to take a stand and show the world that I'm coming out.
Oh. You like this one? Or you want to do hair up again? Here, we can do hair up again. No, this one?
That's right. So light the fireworks, sing like no one said. Dance, it's us against the world.
Don't get dizzy. Ooh, that was a good move. Oh. Maybe, yeah, go that direction. Oh, that was a good one. Good job.
It's us against the world.
Oh, your table? Look at you being a table. Well, hello there. What you doing? You getting a new view on the world?
I'm doing a chair.
Oh, you're doing a chair. It's a good chair. A chair and a table? Wow. Impressive.
I'm doing a table again.
You are doing a table. It's a sturdy table.
Not again.
Where's your fever? There it is. Up.
Okay, no more songs.
No more songs? Okay.
Come on.